Boom. What's up, my people? It's your boy Evans. I'm going to store back again on fire, baby. Tell I'm keeping it real. I'm keeping it fresh, nice, and clean, baby. So yeah, today, folks, brought you good news that I've got 3 recipes which gonna keep you revived for through this time around when we're facing this pandemic. We really need to keep ourselves fresh, nice. So, yeah, the one I'm gonna start with is the berries based. It's a blend of berries. So yeah, just go on it. So I've got my berries, and my honey, and meat, of course. So, very easy. The honey is always good for inflammations. Inflammations. So with this one, I'm all about blending something different, something unique, something you can do with your fruits or anything of your choice, So, but my choice this time is tomato, because why tomato? Tomato is really a good recipe for for your immune system to fight stuff like diseases like cancer and stuff, And it is very good for your immune system. That's part of the recipe. Great thing to add to. Chop to it. Okay. So same. And then around about 6 ounces of water. That, and we also have some honey to it. Like 2 tablespoons of honey. Some meat to it. Right. We can blend it all together. Carrot, tomato, and meat. See, as you can see, all my cocktails, they're very easy to make. If you've got some avocados, if you've got some range of vegetables, you can always add to it. It's always satisfying. But I prefer meat, carrots, and tomato. There we go. Juice, basically. This is a simple homemade juice. You can always get your carrots by the stores, get your tomatoes by the stores, and some mint. Then you blend all together. Then you come up with this great one, this great cocktail. It's a virgin cocktail as well to boost your immune system. Right, it's your boy Evan signing out. Mwah.